BJMP rank classification. Jail Officer 1, Jail Officer 2, Jail Officer 3, Senior Jail Officer 1, Senior Jail Officer 2, Senior Jail Officer 3, and Senior Jail Officer 4. Jail Inspector, Insignia, 1.5 leaf. Jail Senior Inspector, Insignia, 2.5 leaves. Jail Chief Inspector, Insignia, 1 sampagita leaf. Jail Superintendent, Insignia, 2 sampagita leaves. Jail Chief Superintendent, Insignia, 3 sampagita leaves. Jail Senior Superintendent, Insignia, 3 sampagita leaves. Jail Chief Superintendent, Insignia, 1 star. Jail Director, Insignia, 2 star.